You guys, we have a lot of stuff to go through. I can't control myself. Let's get on with this video. Hey guys, what's up? It's Nika with Fashionika, and today I have a Boohoo haul. I'm so excited. They contacted me to partner with them. Freaking Boohoo contacted me. What the heck? I am actually a customer of Boohoo, so for them to see my YouTube channel and want to work together, I don't know. I'm pretty shook. Boohoo is so inexpensive, by the way. That's the reason I love shopping on their site, because it is super affordable. I do want to note that although they gave me a budget to shop on their site, one, these are pieces that I would have already purchased myself if I did see them. Two, they're not paying me for this video. All reviews are going to be my own. I went ahead and added links down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of these items so we can twin together. Let's get on with this video. I have a ton of stuff to show you. I'm so excited. The first item that I got was this sweater. This is their neck crop fisherman jumper in the color sand. I freaking love this because I just love the knit material. It's so soft, and I really like that it's kind of like off the shoulder, kind of not. It just sits like perfectly. I love the color of it. I would style it with some white pants for the spring/summer, or some like denim. Well, you're gonna see a lot of sweaters in this haul because it's just the easiest to style with. You can really play around with it, and it's a little bit more elevated than a basic tee. Anyways, moving on to the next item. The next item is actually on my body again. I grabbed this beautiful crab and coin necklace. What really drew me to this necklace was this part. I just love this kind of chain. It just glistens a lot more than your average chain. Really also liked this because it had my sign. If you don't know, my birthday is in July, so I am a Cancer sign. Cancer coin is so big, so I like the fact that there's something that kind of just hides it, so no one will really see the Cancer thing, but internally I'll be like, this is special to me. The next item that I grabbed was this beautiful leopard print step hem dress. You guys, it was so stinking cute on the model, and so I knew I had to have it. And what's great about Boohoo, there are categories where you can select that you are petite, aka under 5'3", and they have a whole selection for people who are petite like I am. So it was really great, especially when I was shopping for dresses, because you know, dresses do not look the same on me compared to a girl who's like 5'8" or something. Like, they look vastly different. So I'm so excited that Boohoo offers that selection to us. I love the olive color and the fact that it's ruching on the sleeve. It just makes it very dramatic, but also like very feminine. And it also has like a tie waist. The hem are two different lengths, so I thought that was really cool as well. I personally would wear this with my new necklace and some boots and call it a day. I like that it has that elastic waist because you can really play around with it. So yeah, anyways, moving on to the next item. Oh my gosh, I was obsessed with it. It was like love at first sight. I typically don't really gravitate towards like sunglasses. I don't know, I just feel like I don't really grab them. Like, that's not my favorite accessory. My favorite accessory are handbags or shoes, but sunglasses, not so much. But oh my god, you guys, I fell in freaking love with this one. These are some vintage skinny cat eye sunglasses. I think I'm starting to really like this color. I noticed I'm starting to really gravitate towards it, but I just thought this color with this style was just so vintage. They're so stinking cool. Yes, yes. The next item, oh my god, you guys. This one is probably one of my favorites from this batch. So this is a satin high neck, open back blouse. I just am so in love with it. When I tried it on, it's literally like business in the front, party in the back. I think it would be so cute tucked in with some high waist denim, black or blue, whichever, with some ankle boots and then a sick handbag. Oh, I love this one so much. I have a feeling that it will need some steaming love, but I mean, that's why I have a steamer. You definitely should invest in a steamer if you don't have one, because it really makes a difference in your clothing. The next item that I snagged, oh, this one is like a freaking basic necessity. I snagged this cream V-back crop jumper. I really liked this because first off, I don't really have too many cream sweaters, so I just needed one. But also, I really like the fact that it has a sexy V back and the fact that it's a crop. So I don't know, I love wearing crop sweaters, especially with denim. It looks like you're not really trying, and it just looks really good. This is really easy to transition into the springtime because of the color as well. So if you don't have a cream or white sweater, I highly suggest that you invest in one, because these basically go with everything. This is like a plain white tee to me. It's just a necessity that like you need in your closet if you don't have one already. But anyways, moving on to the next item. This one is a little wild for me, but you know, I figured I'm just gonna try it out. Who cares? I did want to just, you know, go out of my comfort zone. That's what's fun to me about fashion. Like, you know, you can really play around and discover your style and go out of your comfort zone, because in the end you'll end up discovering that you actually really love this style. I grabbed this leopard satin asymmetric skirt. I thought it was just so cool because it's asymmetric in the sense that like they are two very different lengths. So on my right side it's shorter, and then on the left it's like so much longer. And I don't know, when I tried it on, I fell in love. I would style this with this sweater that I also grabbed and then wear some boots with it, and it is like the perfect winter outfit in California winter. Yes, when it's like kind of cold, so like 70s. This is not, you know, the East Coast winter. Anyways, moving on to the next item. You know, I had to add some shoes in this haul. Like, is this even a haul if you don't have the shoes? I'm so stoked about this one. Grabbed these flared heel boots. This color though, this is like the main reason I grabbed these boots were because of the color. I thought the flared heel was just so sick. It's like a flared block heel, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of them. You can see like a little bit of wrinkle already because I tried it on and I kind of danced in them because I was so excited. It looks so good with just some black ripped up denim. And I like that it's like a zip up too, so it's really easy to throw on and off. But I really like the style of these. This one is my top, like definitely one of my favorites of this bunch. I'm really into like matching knitted sets. So I grabbed this two-piece knitted set, and to be honest with you, I have already worn it to work. What I love about matching sets are the fact that it looks like you're really trying, but honestly you have the outfit planned for you already. So that's what is great about it. It's black ribbed, and it comes with the matching elastic skirt that is also ribbed, and it just looks so cute on. I mean, honestly, like this isn't even really my style, but I would love if it is, because this is just very like classic without trying too hard. And yeah, I really liked it, especially like I threw on my gold necklace again with it, and it just looked really cool. I threw on some boots and then a nice bag, and it just really put the whole look together. And what's great about it is there are so many ways to style it, because you know it is basically basic, but you can style it a bunch of different ways and it just looks totally different every time. You can throw on a leather jacket, you can throw on a big nice coat, you can really play around with these. You can wear this separately, you can wear this separately, so it's basically like a 2-for-1 deal. And the prices are always very reasonable because you are buying in technically like bulk. Moving on to the next item. This next item is so funny. I feel like I manifested this jacket into my life. A couple weeks ago, I saw this blogger wearing this super cute jacket and I fell in love with it. I don't even remember who the blogger was because she was in the search part of Instagram, so I like can't find the picture anymore, but she was wearing this exact jacket and I'm so shook. I'm pretty sure she got it from Boohoo as well. It is this pocket detail utility jacket. There's so many things that I like about it. It's a crop and it has the zipper so you can wear it zipped up or open, and you can really incorporate this as your third piece into even your basic outfits. I was seriously freaking out. I'm like, how the heck did I see this jacket 2 weeks ago and like manifested it into my life, because I wanted this jacket so badly. I just didn't know where she got it. So with that being said, I have the last item for you guys. Obviously, I'm saving my best for last for you guys. I finally hopped onto the Teddy faux fur jacket bandwagon. I've already worn this one too. It's because it's been raining and this is like the perfect jacket for this weather, and it's so stinking cozy. I love the zipper detail. I love that it's kind of like a moto style jacket, and the fit was perfect. For reference, I grabbed a size 6 because I like things to be a little bit more oversized when I'm styling third pieces, just in case I want to wear a sweater underneath. I have been wanting this kind of jacket with this color for a very long time. I just didn't want to invest in one, but you guys, this one was actually very affordable, so definitely check it out if you're on the market for a Teddy coat, because I do see them ranging for like over $100 at certain sites, but this one was under $100, so definitely check it out. I style it with literally everything. Even if my outfit isn't even matching with this, I still grab it because it's just so comfortable. Like, I wore it with a boba t-shirt yesterday. I guess it still looked cool, but I mean, I typically wouldn't style those two together, but I'm like, you know what? It's raining. I'm just gonna do it because I love this jacket so much. So yeah, and it's just so, it's cute. It's like I'm hugging a teddy bear all day. So this is definitely one of my favorites. Actually, this is my favorite in this whole batch, but I don't know. All the pieces that I grabbed were so stinking good. Totally forgot to film this last item. I don't even know how that happened, but anyways, I guess this is the real last item. I was filming the try on portion of this video and then I was like, wait a second, I don't remember talking about this item. So, okay, let's do this one. So I grabbed this oversized wide sleeve jumper dress, and the reason I grabbed it is because I don't have a sweater dress and I just loved the color of it because it's just so comfortable. It honestly feels like a blanket. But anyways, yeah, this was officially the last item. Okay, I'm leaving now. Okay, time for the outro. That wraps up this huge Boohoo haul. I was seriously so excited that Boohoo partnered with me for this video. It's still so weird to say because that's a pretty big company. So thank you so much, you guys, for your support, because without you guys, they wouldn't have really taken notice of me. I really appreciate all your support, and if you guys aren't subscribed, I would love if you would subscribe to me. Let's be friends. Reminder, if you are interested in purchasing any of the items, the links are down below. Check it out and let me know if you do end up getting something, because I would love to see it on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow Boohoo on Instagram if you don't know about them yet. Follow me at my Instagram, @fashionika, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye guys, hugs and kisses.